ये देख रहे हो आप, this is all natural, no heating tools used whatsoever. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Shreya. I for one was particularly excited when I heard that L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum has finally launched in India. So here I am with my honest opinion on what I think about this product. And yeah, without wasting any minute, let's jump straight into this review. Starting off with my take on this product, I wanted to share with you all what my hair concern and my hair type is. My hair type is somewhere between wavy and straight. जो भी है ये naturally ऐसा दिखता है, so you can just judge. Also, my hair concern has always been frizzy hair. अभी बहुत ज़्यादा hair growth हो रहा है, तो a lot of baby hair is there, जिसके कारण frizziness ज़्यादा दिखता है hair का. And आप कुछ कर नहीं सकते हो baby hair का. So yeah, just wanted to put that across. Let's just move on to the actual review. So the L'Oreal Paris Extraordinary Oil Serum retails for rupees 499 for 100 ml of product, and it has a shelf life of 3 years. The packaging is absolutely stunning. It comes in a glass bottle with a pump cap, which makes the usage process so user friendly. Also, this is quite travel friendly, as you can just simply twist the cap and the bottle is locked. So आप आराम से travel भी कर सकते हो. I'll read out a few claims that this product makes. Number one being it protects the hair from heat up to 230 degrees Celsius. It cuts down on UV damage, basically damage from sunlight. It prevents friction leading to less hair fall. Also, it cuts down on frizz and smoothens the hair for 24 hours. This product is a blend of 6 rare flower oil, and oil सुन के पक्का आपको लगा होगा कि बड़ा oily चिपचिपा सा होगा, but believe me, this is the most lightweight and non-sticky formula in a serum that I've ever used. I'll just show you the texture so that you believe me. I just take one pump of this and show you the texture. It's super runny, and when you just blend this in, it just soaks itself easily and it's completely non-sticky. I'm sure you can see the shine. So basically this will make your hair healthy and manageable. At the same time, the formula is totally non-stick. This product can be used in multiple different ways, but the way that I like to use this in would be number one, as an overnight treatment. So I take a generous amount of this serum and I apply it towards my length and I just sleep. Next day I follow up with a shampoo and conditioning routine, and that's how I like to use it. It would be like I would use any other serum. Basically, after towel drying my hair, I take 2 pumps of this and apply it towards my length. And the third would be before using any heating tool, I use this as a heat protectant. So I just take 2 pumps of this and apply it towards my length, and then I move on with the heating tool so that my hair is not damaged. So yeah, and even when I'm feeling a little dry, like even if my hair is feeling a little dry, I just take a little bit of this and I just apply it, and my hair starts looking so healthy and manageable. Honestly speaking, I applied the serum in the morning, basically before going for my office, and an hour before I've returned back, and this is how my hair looks like. I've not touched up or anything. This is how it naturally looks like. Super healthy, super manageable. और क्या चाहिए इससे? I know after uploading this video, I will get a ton of questions कि which hair type will it suit. To that, I would say this will suit every hair type. My sister has a curly hair type, and I wanted a second opinion on this product, so I made sure she also tries it, and she told me she absolutely loved it. The same goes for anyone who has chemically treated hair. This serum will come out as a savior. So few of the things that did stood out for me in this product would be unlike other serums where if you apply a little more of the serum, your hair starts looking oily, but for this one, it was as if my hair just soaked up on all the serum, and it did not make it oily or anything of that sort. In fact, it left my hair shiny, frizz-free, and the most important thing, it made my hair look so much more healthier. Also, this has an amazing woody floral smell, which I'm sure you're gonna love it. Another thing would be the detangling process, which was a dream. Like makhan jaise baal aaram se sulaj jata hai. So yeah, overall I absolutely love this product, and I would completely recommend it to you all. I leave all the purchase links down in the description box below, just in case you want to check it out. And yeah, I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care.